10:54 a.m. in a very snowbound New Jersey, and of course, wouldn't you know it, we're stuck in a frigging traffic jam in the middle of the snow, no less. God, I hate fucking New Jersey. I mean, seriously, unless you're out here for work, I don't know. I mean, even at my job, idiots are still going into the grocery store. Oh, well, I was bored sitting at home. Dude, get a life. I am absolutely flabbergasted by the amount of idiots that are out on this roadway right now. I sincerely hope you are all coming from a job, because this is insane. Check this out. Still following behind the procession, 45 minutes later. This is a little overly cautious, I would say.